Oh my goodness. It's just so funny. Hello, Gray. Betty Crocker cockatiel. How's cooking been for you? What are you gonna whip up in the kitchen today? Something with millet? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Maybe a little sunflower seeds sprinkled in? Light on the salt? No chocolate because you're allergic. So some millet pancakes I see you want to make. And your counterpart over here. Oscar, what are you going to make? Careful. Oscar, you want to whip up some pudding? Some millet pudding? Is that what you want? Yeah? Awesome. I am looking forward to the meal. Finally, you guys can cook for me and I don't have to feed you. This is how it should be.